welcome back to my channel. My name is Myra. Today I'm going to do a challenge. The challenge name is Think and Think. What's in the bag challenge? So let's begin our challenge. What is this? Let me check. Goggles! These are my favorite goggles. Look, they are so colorful. Let's try on them. Hello, I'm looking so stylish. So now let's take out the next thing. Mask. Mask is very important. Wow, a pink watch. This is my so favorite watch. I like this watch. Look, the time is 3:31. So I love this watch. It's pink color. This is next. What's the next? This is my favorite perfume gifted by my mother. It smells very nice. I love it. So next. So let's check what's next. This cream is gifted by my grandmother. I love you, Nani, so much. Mwah. Now next. Wow, it's a pink necklace. I always wear it when I go out or I go in the party. Anywhere I go, I wear this necklace. What is next? This is the most important thing. Nowadays, we should use this whenever we go out. Lip gloss. This lip gloss makes my lips soft and shiny. I always use this whenever I go out. Next. This is a doll. When I go out, I tie my hair with this doll band. It looks very pretty. Next. Oh my god, it's my sister's doll. Guys, be quiet. Don't shout. My sister will then beat me so much. She is very naughty. Do you know? She will pinch me. Next. The last thing is ring. Whoa, it's falling on me. These are very pretty rings. This is flower ring and this is crown ring. I wear them when I go to party or when I go outside. So this was the last thing. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and follow me and like me. Thumbs up, bye. See you in my next video. I love making videos with my cute